Okay, there we are. Yes, sir. Well, we're going to back this up a little bit, and we're going to keep last names out. We're going to just say hi, this is Andy. Today is June 8th, I believe, June 9th already. Man, it's flying, isn't it? So Andy is actually here from Dallas, Texas, in for some care, and we want to just talk a little bit about, a little bit of what he's got going on. He's willing to share with us. This here is the pulse electromagnetic frequency. He's coming in for some treatment along with other things he's doing for himself. He is a cancer patient. Again, we don't claim that we're healing anybody here or anything like that, but we do know, and Andy knows the premise behind pulse electromagnetic frequency and what it does, putting high oxygen into the body. We know that cancer doesn't like being in an oxygenated environment, and we also know that it doesn't like the high energy. We resonate at a medium level for electricity. We get sick, disease that drops down. We know that the science that the pulse electromagnetic rises that and above, which cancer does not survive in a high electromagnetic frequency environment. With that said, I mean, you granted yourself to come here, and we're happy to have you here. And how are you doing since you started treatment?
I'm doing better every single day. I've been, as you know, into this about 2.5 weeks.
2.5 weeks now.
I do this daily. This is probably one of the highlights. I couldn't tell you exactly as technically as you describe it what it's doing, but each time I'm on here, I feel like it's doing something a little more. And
how's your energy?
How you feel
is everything, isn't it? How you feel is everything.
My energy has improved daily. Seriously, my appetite's gotten a little better. I'm getting dizzy spells less frequent.
Very good.
They were never very bad, but I would get one, maybe two a day. Now I haven't had one in probably the better part of this week.
Wow, that's excellent.
Yeah.
So what are you doing as far as supplementation? We have you on a regimen, obviously.
You do. It's right behind you, actually. I've got about, I think my wife's counted them, 28 pills a day. And I take them all.
Right, and to keep in mind, they're high potent antioxidants, everything that's going to contribute to building the immune system up. And granted, when you're on this machine, when you're on good clean supplementation and eating healthy foods that have good antioxidants and polyphenols and all that, and the brighter the colors, the reds, the oranges, the purples in these vegetables and fruits, how they really filter the body with antioxidants. While you're on this machine, those antioxidants are more potent because the longer you're on the machine, it heightens it 60% or more potency into the body because of the current from the PMF allows that to happen. So that means it's delivering it more into his cells. That just stopped. He's been following a very good diet. He is on CBD, which is great. A lot of people are doing that for many different reasons. This is aiding into his repertoire. He's on high potent antioxidants. He takes stuff in the morning, the afternoon, and evening.
Right.
And his nutrition is totally changed. He's juicing.
I am.
Correct? You're doing your coffee enemas?
Carrots and apples.
Which is a protocol we got him on, and organic coffee enemas. And then he's also doing green smoothies. He's changing the way he's eating dinner and breakfast and lunch because he's recognizing not only with the machine, but for himself as a cancer patient, what he needs to do to give things to his body to recognize, to allow his cells to recognize, to help repair his body. Again, we're not claiming to heal anybody here, but we are claiming that we can boost that immune system up. But not just PMF, obviously it's a big part of his repertoire. But his statement is that he feels great, his spells are disappearing, he's getting better sleep, he's got more energy, and he's feeling fantastic.
I am. It may be related, but I'm more positively impacted by sunlight now. We're staying here locally, and I have to sit out in the sun for about 20, 30 minutes.
Well, we know what that does. It rejuvenates the body. Good source of vitamin D levels are absorbed into the body, which vitamin D also helps fight cancer, and high doses of it puts patients into remission. And there's lots of science behind that.
My cancer is esophageal, and I rub that frankincense oil.
There you go. So you
and I lay in the sun, and it's wonderful. I can feel it.
You feel it.
Yeah, I can feel it.
Very good. So using the oils that we turned you on to, and
I am.
That's excellent. So he's using essential oils along with this program. Can't say enough about being on this PMF, pulse electromagnetic frequency, and being on good nutrition, good essential oils, getting adjusted, getting taken care of, doing far infrared sauna here at the clinic. Also laying on our biomat. These are things that are really enhancing his life, his energy, his longevity. And he's married to a beautiful woman. He has children. He's respecting the temple that has been given to him. And he's realizing what these things are doing for his body. And all I can say, Andy, is God bless. And it's good to see you doing well. And thank you so much for taking these few minutes to doing this video and sharing this to let people know what they can be doing for themselves.
Well, the thanks is on my part.
Well, thank you. God bless. Thank you, everybody. Again, with Dr. Scott, short clips on pulse electromagnetic frequency. Awesome. Thank you so much.